Don't you just hate it when you run out of electrical energy? Anyway, sorry. This is the very last part of this problem right there. Where am I? Number 7, part C. And we were talking about the potential turning into the kinetic energy. And that happens as you start to fall from a height and you start to turn into kinetic energy. So this is asking you how high. And the tricky thing here is you need to make sure that you understand that all of your kinetic energy is potential. I really understood this when we did it in class the other day. So what you can say is your potential is equal to, your kinetic is equal to m times g times h. And if you go back into the problem, you already know what your mass is. We always know what g is. And our height is what we are looking for. Okay? So we are going to go through, and I'm just going to write this down for you. And I'm sorry I can't do it on the thing. Actually, yes, I can. Just like this, and spin it like this, and then now you're on the stove. Sorry, I won't start you on fire. So here we have potential energy is equal to kinetic energy. And from up here, we know that our kinetic energy is 45 joules. If we want to find the height, we're going to do this super easy cheat, and we are going to say that our potential energy, is m times g times h. And if we want h, we'll just block that part off of what we're doing, and we'll say h is equal to PE, what are we left with? PE divided by, because when it's over, that's division, divided by m times g. Okay? Sorry for the ugly handwriting, this is a weird angle. Now, we know what m is, and we know what g is, and we know what PE is. PE is 45 joules. Wow, this is amazing. That's even wrong. I'm writing backwards. Our G is going to be equal to 1 kilogram, right? I hope so. Let me double check because I'm writing in pen. The ball is 1 kilogram. So times 1 divided by 1 kilograms, and G is still 9.8 meters per second squared, because it always is. Now, hang on a second. Where's the calculator? Let's get this all out. I should really spin this around so I can see it better. And what we are going to have here is 45 divided by 9.8. Okay? Once I get my calculator up and running, we will be there. But 45, can you see this? 45 divided by 9.8, which is equal to 4.59. So our final answer is 4.59. Our units are going to cancel into the unit of height. Think, think, think. What do we measure height in? Great. Meters. So our final answer is 4.59 meters. That was a really good job. Thanks so much for joining me. Very important.